Hi everyone, I'm here now in Como, Italy. I'm going to the cathedral in Duomo, so I will show you about inside and outside of this cathedral. Please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. The Cathedral of Santa Maria Assunta, better known simply as the Duomo of Como, dominates the city with its imposing facade and large dome. It stands not far from the shores of the lake and in past century. Welcome all those arriving from the mountain or the plains. Even today, it's an unmissable stop of all visitors discovering Como. Its construction began in the 14th century, but the church underwent important modification over the following 400 years, which led to the harmonious coexistence of elements of different styles from Gothic to Baroque. The facade is elegant and slender, with a large rose window in the center, large windows and numerous statues. Inside, mighty columns support large, richly decorated vaults. There's no shortage of sculpture, tapestries, statues, and other of art. But what intrigues visitors arriving at the Duomo is above all the Porta della Rana on the left cathedral. On this Renaissance era passage dedicated to the triumph of the Virgin stands a small statue of a frog that could indicate the reach by the water of the lake during flow.